This site's not really that involved, but I thought it was kind of cool because you could add some interesting beats and some interesting sounds to your videos, depending on how creative you feel like being. So I decided to go ahead and check it out. Let me know what you think. Here we go. Alright, this site here is ronwinter.tv, and I'm showing this to you because it's got effects, man. And if you want to add effects to your videos or while you're talking, Alright. That's cool, man. How do you not want to see a site like this? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, if I had more talent, I'd try to make a song, but I really don't. I just thought it was cool enough to tell you about it. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Yeah, there you have this one.